In this video we're going to calculate the final percentage weight by volume of a solution when we're given the number of grams of the compound we're using and the volume in litres. Let's say we have 4.8 grams of sodium chloride that we dissolve in water and then make up to a final volume of 0.06 litres. What is the percentage weight by volume of that solution? Now, percentage weight by volume is just the number of grams divided by the mils multiplied by 100. It's a percentage expression of the concentration of grams per mil. Now, our volume is in litres, so therefore we need to convert that to millilitres. Our volume is 0.06 litres. We know that there are 1000 mils in a litre. So therefore, to convert that to millilitres, we just need to multiply it by 1000, and this gives us an answer of 60 mils. Now that we know the volume, we can work out the percentage weight by volume of the solution. We know the number of grams of sodium chloride is 4.8. We know that the volume is 60 mils. Therefore, we just need to take the number of grams, 4.8, divide it by the volume of 60 and multiply that by 100, and that gives us an answer of 8% weight by volume. So 4.8 grams of sodium chloride dissolved and made up to 0.06 litres will give us an 8% weight by volume solution. And that's it. That's how you work out the percentage weight by volume for a solution.